Hello and welcome to Dad Rocks. It's Sunday afternoon and it's been 3 days. Let's take a look at these black opal and see what they look like after tumbling for 3 days. Okay, so here's the first jar. Black. Look at that black slurry. Oh crap, the water's hot. I hope that shows up. That's black as it can be. I highly suspect that's coming off this barrel. Good grief, I gotta wet this thing down a little bit. It's burning my hands. So there's still a little bit of the the grit left. So that's all sand still. I'm not seeing as much good color as I hope to see coming up. Here's one that's got some good color in it. So I think what I'm gonna do is pull this other one, dump it right in here with it. Yeah, it got some nasty on the lid there. Now this didn't foam up as much as the other one. It looked like a shell. So ooh, wow, look at all the grit there that didn't get used on this one. Just kind of thinking this through. Do I let it go another few days, put it all in one barrel? Look at that color right there. I want to let it go another couple of days. So I am seeing some good color coming through. Look at that crystal. So it's a little too full, so what I'm going to do is pull out some of the color, some of the good color, and yeah, and we'll get it about 3/4 of the way full. We want to knock some more sand off that. So I'm changing my mind here. I'm kind of getting this stuff that's already got all the sand knocked off. Check that out. That's a piece of metal. That's some good color. Okay, so it's Monday evening, and yesterday is when I washed off those opals, and I decided to change the game plan a little bit. So I got saw some color in there, some nice color. Some of them got the sand washed off, but mostly they didn't. So what I did was I put them back in the rotary tumbler yesterday with 60/90 grit. First round was 220, so I went to a coarser grit, and then I'm gonna let that tumble through tomorrow, and then I'm gonna just take a few stones out and take a look and see, because there was a lot of sand left, and at the same time it's just kind of hitting a balance there, because I don't want to eat away a lot of the material, but I do want to eat that sand off as much as I can. So anyhow, that's what happened. So we're calling this a stage 1 reboot, and so this will probably end up being a good 4 to 5 videos. So anyhow, we'll see what happens, and this video will probably go out Tuesday, which will be the same day that I'm going to be checking on those rocks. So take care, and I will update you as soon as as soon as I pull that out of stage 1, and we will catch you at the next one. Have a good evening.